Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an account here in BigCommerce. Let's begin. Creating an account here in BigCommerce is a straightforward and only takes a few minutes of your time. Once you go to the BigCommerce website, I want you to click on the login section here on the upper right corner, because that would lead you to the sign up form. And from here, all you have to do is click and fill in as much as information as you can. All right. Your first name, last name, your phone number, email address, your password, your store name, which is, you can change this at any time, the size of your online business. All right. For example, if you haven't started selling yet, no revenue, just click that. If you're not sure, just click on it as well. And from here, just click where your store should be hosted and click your create your own store. What will happen is you would receive an email confirmation such as this one, welcoming you to BigCommerce. All right. Your login information is this. The username and the support pin is these numbers. Obviously, I have already changed this, so it doesn't matter right now. Okay. And if you have questions about getting started, just click on the read store launch guide, which would forward you to the main homepage of your account here in BigCommerce. Once you have successfully created your account here in BigCommerce, there's a lot that you can work with. We have a separate video on how to use BigCommerce that you might want to check in our channel. But basically, that's how you can create an account here. If you have further questions and if you're having problems creating your account here, you might want to go to the BigCommerce customer support. Just click on the button right here, and some of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps if you can't create an account here, or if you're having problems creating an account here. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.